If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. How to view your YouTube TV bill. Welcome to our guide on how to view your YouTube TV bill. Understanding your bills is crucial for managing your subscriptions and ensuring there are no unexpected charges. Let's walk through the simple steps you need to follow. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube TV's official website. Sign into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see various options related to your account. Click on Billing or Membership to view the details of your subscription. Within the billing section, you'll be able to see your current subscription plan, payment method, and the billing history, including previous invoices and transaction dates. You can also check the amount charged and the date of your next payment. If you need a detailed invoice, look for options such as View Purchases or Payment History. This will provide a breakdown of charges, additional purchases, or any changes in subscription pricing. In case you have any issues or discrepancies with your bill, YouTube TV provides support options or contact information in the same section. Reach out to them for assistance if something doesn't look right. To summarize, accessing your YouTube TV bill involves a few easy steps. Head to the website, log in, click on your profile, go to Settings, then open the billing section. Keep track of your expenses and make sure there are no surprises at the end of the month.